everyone. Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sime. Hey, everybody.
Today, we have a really inspiring topic. We're going to teach you how to talk about long-term success in English.
Yes, this is a great topic. We'll have a natural conversation and you can learn useful words and phrases.
Exactly. So just listen, relax, and learn with us.
All right, let's get started. Hey, Sarah, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about long-term success today. You know, like what it really means.
Oh, yeah? That's interesting. What made you think about that?
Well, I was reading an article this morning. It talked about people who worked hard for many years, and then finally they've reached their big goals.
Ah, I see. So it wasn't fast success. It took time.
Exactly. It wasn't overnight. It was slow but steady.
I like that. Slow but steady. That's a good way to describe it.
Right? And I think that's the key to long-term success. Patience.
Patience. Yeah, that's hard though. I mean, we all want things to happen quickly.
I know, me too. But the truth is, good things take time.
That's true. So what else did the article say?
Well, it mentioned that successful people have clear goals. They know what they want.
Ah, goals. Yeah, goals are super important.
Absolutely. Without a goal, you don't know where you're going.
Right. It's like driving without a map.
Exactly. You'll just drive around and around. You won't reach anywhere.
So true. I learned that the hard way.
Really? What happened?
Well, a few years ago, I wanted to learn guitar.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I bought a guitar. I was so excited, but I didn't have a plan.
No plan?
Nope. I just said, I want to play guitar, but I didn't know what kind of music. I didn't set a timeline. I didn't practice regularly.
Oh, no. So what happened?
I gave up after 3 weeks.
Oh, no. That's too bad.
Yeah, the guitar is still in my closet.
Oh, same. But hey, at least you learned something from it.
Oh, definitely. I learned that I need a clear goal and a plan and consistency.
Yes, consistency is huge. That's another key to long-term success.
For sure. You have to do it over and over every day, even when you don't feel like it.
Exactly, even on bad days.
Right. So, Sarah, do you have any long-term goals right now?
Yeah, actually I do. I want to run a marathon.
A marathon? Wow, that's amazing.
Thanks, but it's scary too.
Why scary?
Because it's 26 miles. That's a long distance.
Oh, yeah, that's super long. Have you started training?
Yes, I started 2 months ago, but I'm taking it slow.
Good. Slow is smart. You don't want to get injured.
Exactly. Right now, I can run about 5 miles. My goal is to reach 26 miles by next year.
Next year? So that's about 10 months from now?
Yep, that gives me enough time to train safely.
That's a good timeline, and I bet you'll feel so proud when you finish.
I hope so. I think crossing that finish line will be one of the best moments of my life.
Oh, for sure. That's long-term success right there. You set a big goal, you work hard, and then you achieve it.
Exactly. And the journey matters too, you know, not just the finish line.
Oh, totally. The journey is where you learn and grow.
Right. Like, I've already learned so much about discipline and pushing myself.
That's awesome. So even if something goes wrong, you've already gained something valuable.
Exactly. That's a great way to look at it.
You know, I think long-term success is also about mindset.
Mindset?
Yeah, like how you think, your attitude.
Oh, I agree. A positive mindset is so important.
Right, because there will be tough times, there will be failures.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
But if you have the right mindset, you don't give up. You keep going.
Exactly. You see failures as lessons, not as the end.
Yes, that's such a good point. Failures are just part of the process.
Totally. Everyone fails sometimes, even successful people.
Oh, yeah. Actually, some of the most successful people failed a lot before they made it.
Like who?
Well, like Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before he invented the light bulb.
Thousands of times? Wow.
Yeah, but he didn't give up. He kept trying.
That's incredible. And now we have light because of him.
Exactly. That's long-term success. He didn't quit.
Right. And I think that's the difference between people who succeed and people who don't.
What do you mean?
Well, people who succeed keep going. even when it's hard, even when they fail.
Ah, I see. So it's about perseverance.
Yes, perseverance. That's a great word. It means you keep trying no matter what.
Right, you don't give up.
Exactly. You just keep moving forward, one step at a time.
One step at a time. I like that.
Me too. It makes big goals feel less scary.
Yeah, because you're not thinking about the whole mountain, you're just thinking about the next step.
Exactly. That's a perfect way to say it.
So, Sarah, what do you think is the hardest part of long-term success?
That's a good question. I think the hardest part is staying motivated.
Oh yeah, motivation can be tough.
Right. At first, you're super excited, you have lots of energy.
But then after a few weeks or months, that excitement fades.
Exactly. And that's when it gets hard. That's when people quit.
So how do you stay motivated?
Well, I try to remind myself why I started. Like, why did I set this goal?
Oh, that's smart. You go back to your why.
Yes, your why is your reason, your purpose.
Right. And if your why is strong enough, you won't give up.
Exactly. For example, with my marathon, my why is to prove to myself that I can do hard things.
Aw, I love that. That's a strong reason.
Thanks. What about you, Sime? Do you have any long-term goals?
Yeah, actually. I want to write a book.
A book? Really? That's so cool.
Thanks. I've wanted to do it for a long time, but I keep putting it off.
Why?
I don't know. I guess I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Scared that it won't be good or that no one will read it.
Oh, Sime, I totally understand that feeling. But you know what?
What?
You'll never know unless you try.
Yeah, you're right.
And even if only 10 people read it, that's still 10 people who learn something from you.
That's a good point. I never thought of it that way.
Plus, writing a book is a big accomplishment, no matter what happens after.
Yeah, that's true. I think I just need to start. Even if I write just one page a day.
Yes, 1 page a day. That's perfect. Small steps lead to big results.
Right. If I write 1 page a day, in a year, I'll have 365 pages. That's a whole book.
Exactly. See, it's totally possible.
Thanks, Sarah. You're really encouraging.
Of course, I believe in you.
And I believe in you too. You're going to crush that marathon.
Thanks. We'll both reach our goals.
Yes, we can do it. You know, another important thing for long-term success is support.
Supports, like having people who believe in you?
Exactly. It's hard to do big things alone.
Oh, I totally agree. Having support makes a huge difference.
Right, because on tough days, those people can lift you up.
Yes, they can remind you why you started and encourage you to keep going.
Exactly. So it's important to surround yourself with positive people.
Absolutely. People who believe in your dreams, not people who bring you down.
Right. Negative people can really drain your energy.
Oh, yeah. They can make you doubt yourself.
So it's better to spend time with people who inspire you and support you.
Totally. And sometimes those people are family. Sometimes they're friends. Sometimes they're mentors or teachers.
Right. Whoever they are, they're important.
For sure. I'm lucky. I have a really supportive family.
That's great. What do they say about your marathon goal?
They think it's awesome. My mom keeps asking me about my training, and my dad bought me new running shoes last month.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Yeah, I'm really grateful. What about you? Do you have support for your book?
Well, my brother is really encouraging. He keeps telling me to just start writing.
That's great. Listen to him.
Yeah, I should. He's usually right.
Brothers can be annoying, but they often give good advice.
So true. All right, so we've talked about goals, mindset, perseverance, motivation, and support. What else is important for long-term success?
I think celebrating small wins is important too.
Small wins?
Yeah, like you don't have to wait until you reach the big goal to celebrate. You can celebrate the small steps along the way.
Oh, I like that. Can you give an example?
Sure. With my marathon training, I celebrate every time I run a new distance. Like when I ran 5 miles for the first time, I treated myself to ice cream.
Ice cream. That's a great reward.
Right? It's a small thing, but it feels good. It keeps me motivated.
That makes sense. So celebrating small wins keeps you going.
Exactly. Because long-term success is a long journey. If you only focus on the end, you might feel discouraged.
Right, but if you celebrate along the way, it's more fun.
Yes, and it reminds you that you're making progress.
I love that. I should do that with my book, like maybe celebrate every time I finish a chapter.
Yes, that's perfect. Treat yourself to something nice, or just take a moment to feel proud.
Yeah, I think that will help a lot.
You know, another thing I think is important is learning.
Learning?
Yeah, like always learning new things, always improving.
Oh, absolutely. Successful people never stop learning.
Right. They read books, they take courses, they ask questions.
And they learn from their mistakes.
Yes, that's huge. Mistakes are great teachers.
Totally. Every mistake teaches you something.
Exactly. So instead of being afraid of mistakes, we should welcome them.
That's a good mindset. Welcome mistakes.
Yeah, because mistakes mean you're trying, you're taking action.
Right. And taking action is better than doing nothing.
Absolutely. Even if you fail, at least you learned something.
Yes. And then you can try again, but smarter this time.
Exactly. That's growth. That's progress.
Sarah, I'm really enjoying this conversation.
Me too. It's making me think a lot about my own goals.
Same here. I feel more motivated now.
Good. That's the power of talking about success. It inspires us.
Totally. And I hope it inspires our views too.
Yes. If you're watching this, I hope you feel inspired to set a long-term goal.
And to work toward it every single day.
Even when it's hard.
Even when you feel tired or scared.
Because long-term success is possible for anyone.
You just have to believe in yourself and keep going.
Exactly. One step at a time.
One step at a time.
So let's do a quick recap. What have we learned today?
Well, we talked about having clear goals. That's the first step.
Right. You need to know what you want.
Then we talked about patience. Long-term success takes time.
Yes, it's not fast, but it's worth it.
We also talked about consistency. You have to do the work every day.
Exactly. Even on days when you don't feel like it.
And we talked about mindset. You need to stay positive and see failures as lessons.
Right. Perseverance is key. Never give up.
We also talked about motivation. Remember your why.
Yes, your why keeps you going when things get tough.
And we talked about support. Surround yourself with positive people.
Absolutely. They'll lift you up.
We also talked about celebrating small wins. Don't wait until the end to feel proud.
Right. Celebrate the journey, not just the destination.
And finally, we talked about learning. Always keep growing.
Yes, learn from mistakes, learn from others. Never stop improving.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, but it's all important.
Totally. And the good news is anyone can do this.
Exactly. Long-term success isn't just for special people, it's for everyone.
You just have to start and keep going.
One step at a time.
I love that phrase. One step at a time.
Me too. It's so simple but so powerful.
All right, Sarah, before we finish, let's share one final thought with our viewers.
Good idea. I would say don't be afraid to dream big.
Ooh, I like that. Why?
Because big dreams lead to big accomplishments. If you only dream small, you'll only achieve small things.
That's true, but big dreams can be scary.
They can, but that's okay. Scary is good. Scary means you're growing.
I like that. Scary means you're growing.
Exactly. So dream big and then take action.
Love it. My final thought is be patient with yourself.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Yeah, because success takes time and there will be setbacks.
Right.
But that doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're human.
Exactly. We all have bad days. We all make mistakes.
Right, so be kind to yourself and just keep going.
That's beautiful, Same.
Thanks.
So to sum it up, dream big, take action, be patient, and never give up.
Perfect summary.
All right, everyone, that's it for today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation and we hope it helped you learn some useful English.
Yes, if you want to talk about long-term success in English, now you have lots of phrases and ideas.
Exactly. And remember, practice makes perfect.
So keep practicing, keep learning, and keep working toward your goals.
You got this.
We believe in you.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
And leave a comment. Tell us what's your long-term goal.
We love to hear from you.
All right, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.